You love bubble tea like me. This is like, excuse me, like, what is that? You can put it in the fridge. It will last for 3 weeks. You have 4 flavors to enjoy. Straws. And I think this is like extra popping bubbles. And this is a fortune cookie. Let's open the fortune cookie. Let's see what is my luck. He who drinks tea is living life at the right tempo. We'll go through all the flavors. This is pink peak. This is the blue blast. Oh. This red one is red reviver. Okay. And this one is sunset surge. Reduced sugar and calories with energy boosting B-vits and vitamin C. Vegan, gluten-free, and halal. Oh, which one I want to try? I don't know. We're just sunset surge. Okay, shall we try this? No, blue blast. Like, I can't decide. Blue blast. Straw. You shake it. This would be so refreshing when you put it in the fridge. Oh, how satisfying is that? So we'll try. Shake, shake. It reminds me of, what are the drinks that there's like this machine? I remember with my stepchildren, we would go on holiday, there's this machine that goes around. Is that slurp, whatever? It tastes like that. This is really good. Put it in the fridge. I suggest put it in the fridge before you drink it. So yummy. And it's fitting with the English weather. It's sunny. Cheers, guys.